team, and that looks very hard. When the trucks help, you might get stuck everywhere.
And what's this one?
Mom, give me a big hug.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
And
hold on.
What's this? Is it a pink?
You know.
You know what?
I'm going to read the special book.
Okay.
I can hold it.
And I'm going to hold it, and you enjoy the story, okay?
The sun has set. The work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play.
Wait.
What happened?
Wait.
Oh, your turn. Okay, go. What's this one?
This is the excavator
Yes.
and the cement mixer and the dump truck and a crane truck and a bulldozer.
Good. Okay, ready? Okay.
Hey, no, wait a minute.
Are we going to start the story?
Wait a minute.
Yes.
It's going down.
Okay, turn the page. Okay.
Almost done.
Working hard to help his team. Crane
Hey,
truck raises one last beam.
Daddy, help me. Help the beams. It's stuck.
Oh, it's stuck?
Yeah.
Maybe Mommy can fix it. Mommy, can you fix the beam? Oh, thank you. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on it.
No.
On its mark. Then off to bed. It's
almost done.
good.
Dark.
He slowly folds his boom. You do it. You want to do it?
Look, a teddy bear.
And then with
One
one
last.
last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says,
Good night.
good.
Look, no, not you. No.
Okay.
Look, a teddy bear.
That's right, it's a teddy bear. Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long.
Look, a cement mixer.
Cement mixer sings his whirly song.
No.
Go ahead.
Listen,
Now he's weary and so dizzy from the fun.
He keeps him busy.
Good.
No,
So,
you
okay.
can't read it.
Okay.
I read it.
Okay, you read it. Go ahead, read this.
The cement mixers, the amps, and lonely Ben, and he was all done.
With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the...
I read it.
Good,
I read it.
Okay, you know what, Violet? If you don't stop, like being violent with Daddy, we're not gonna read the book at all. Okay? You want to be done with the book?
No.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna read it. Okay?
You can help him,
You
okay?
can help me, but you can't stop me from reading it. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off. Okay, we're done. We're done. If you're gonna try to shush me, then we're not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it
Okay.
ever again.
Okay, then sit back.
Look, Steve.
Pulls up his chute, turns off his light.
Hey,
He cuts his engine.
He needs to keep sleeping.
That's right. He slows his drum and dreams sweet dreams of twirly.
Fun.
Good. Shh. Good night, cement mixer.
Hey, look, a cement mixer is right there.
That's right. Okay, we're ready? Dump truck
Dump.
loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big
And small.
Good. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to
Sleep.
Good. Eli, please turn the page. Thank you.
And he says, stop snoring loud.
That's right. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors. And soon his engine slows or snores.
Hey, stop snoring, truck and excavator.
Yes. Shh. Good night, dumb truck. Good night. Okay, thanks. She wants you to. That's cute.
It's adorable.
That's adorable. Okay, bye.
Love you, Violet.
Violet, thank you.
I sit on Mommy's lap.
Okay, I think we're done filming then.
Okay.